The next one we are going to learn is les pronoms compléments indirects. So first we learnt the pronoun for the direct complement. Now we are going to learn the pronoun for the indirect complement. So when do we use this? Pour répondre, when you are retaking un nom de personne, the name of a person. So up to this it's the same. Whenever you are retaking or repeating the name of a person, après la preposition. So if you remember in the previous concept, it was sans preposition, without preposition. Here, after the preposition, when you have a name that is being repeated, so the preposition a. So this is the preposition. So any name that has to be repeated and it comes after the preposition, quand le verbe exprime une idée de communication. So when the verb, the particular verb, expresses communication, an idea of communication ou d'échange. So when there is a communication or some sort of exchange, so when the verb indicates a communication or an exchange, then we have the preposition a followed by a name, the name of a person that is repeated. So in that case, we will use this pronoun for the indirect complement. So examples of when we need to use is when we have words like demander, téléphoner, écrire. So if you see, you have a preposition and here we'll have the noun. For example, take the word Maria. Demander à Maria. So now in this case, we are going to be replacing the preposition and the noun with some pronouns. So we are going to learn what are those pronouns. The preposition along with the noun is going to be replaced. In the previous case, we replaced only the noun. Here we are going to replace the preposition too. So now so let us take this example, L dash téléphone. Now if it is à moi. So now we have a preposition and now we are going to replace this entire thing with me. Elle me téléphone. She telephoned me. If the noun is second person singular, it is te. Elle te téléphone. Elle te téléphone. She telephoned you. Now up to this it was the same. For the next case, L, if the noun is third person singular, the word is Louis. Louis. Elle lui téléphone. She telephoned him or her. Next one, if the noun is first person plural, then again it is nous. Nous. Again if it is second person plural, it is vous. Elle vous téléphone. If it is third person plural, the word is le. Le. telephone. So now, when do we use these words? We use it when we need to replace a noun that is repeated, which comes with a preposition. The noun that comes after the preposition a. So examples are demandea, telephonea, écrire. So there are many other examples. So you will know whether it is an indirect or a direct complement with the help of the preposition. So if there is a preposition followed by the noun which needs to be replaced, we replace both the preposition and the noun with me, the, lui, nous, vous and le. So this is how these are the words we use to replace. So now we know the pronouns for the direct and the indirect complement. We know when to fill in the direct complement pronoun and when to fill in the indirect complement pronoun. So now we will see some other forms like how we saw for the previous one, the negative form, the interrogative form, etc. So we will see these forms and then we will move on to the practice exercises.